ये देखिए फ्रेंड्स, फर्स्ट टाइम philodendron plant में flower. It just bud now. Flower bud in philodendron. मेरे गार्डन में तो ये पहली बार आ रहे हैं, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर दिस. हे गाइस, ये देखिए गोइंग टू बी ब्लूम्ड philodendron. This is the philodendron plant and this is going to be bloomed. See, these two flowers are coming up. Let me show you after this got bloomed. I'm very happy, yeah. It's lovely to watch this. It's lovely to watch this, the flower coming up. And here it is. तो गाइज, आपने देखा वो फोटो जिसमें ऑलरेडी ओपन था. नाउ आफ्टर 1 day, सी दिस इज क्लोज्ड completely. सी the flower is almost closed, so I can show you. This is one more flower is coming up. I'll show the status of that also. See, it's so beautiful, so beautiful. Yeah.